In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account. PayPal is a secure way to send, receive, and manage money online, and setting it up only takes a few minutes. Before we start, make sure you have a working email address you can access, your mobile number, and your basic personal details like your full name and address. Having those ready will make the process smooth. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type PayPal. When the results load, look for the official PayPal website. You'll recognize it by the paypal.com domain and the secure padlock icon in the address bar. Avoid ads or lookalike sites and click through to the official homepage. Once you're on PayPal's site, look to the top right corner and select Sign Up. This takes you to the account selection page. Here, choose the Personal option. A personal account is perfect for everyday use like online shopping, sending money to family and friends, and receiving payments for casual sales. If you run a company, there are business options. But for this walkthrough, we'll stick to personal to keep things simple. Click Get Started to begin creating your profile. You'll now be asked to provide your information. Enter your legal name exactly as it appears on your IDs, add an email address you check frequently, and create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Add your mobile number and your home address, and fill in any other requested details. Accuracy matters here. PayPal uses this information to help keep your account secure and to comply with financial regulations in your region. As you go, read any on-screen notices and agree to the terms to continue. In some cases, PayPal may prompt you to confirm your phone or email for security. Simply follow the instructions shown. If you see optional marketing preferences, you can choose what suits you. After you submit your details, you'll be taken to a Welcome or Account dashboard page. When you reach this screen, your PayPal account has been created successfully. Take a moment to look around the dashboard so you can get familiar with where your settings, activity, and profile information live. That's the entire process from start to finish. Find the official PayPal site, select Sign Up, choose a personal account, click Get Started, and enter your information carefully until you arrive at your dashboard. From here, you're ready to explore features that fit your needs and manage your money with confidence. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to replay any section while you set up your own account.